Everything you know about traditional side hustles. In 2026, AI isn't just a tool, it's your personal money-making machine. Today, I'm showing you exactly how beginners are generating passive income using 3 simple AI-driven strategies. No coding, no experience, just results. Before we reveal the methods, look at this. The AI market is projected to reach trillions by 2030. This means we are still in the early stages. Most people think they missed the boat, but the truth is, the tools are just getting good enough for beginners to compete with billion-dollar companies. Today isn't just about making money, it's about future-proofing your life. Let's dive in. Method number 1, AI-powered micro-freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are exploding with demand for content. But you aren't going to write everything yourself. You're going to use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to draft blog posts, product descriptions, or SEO-optimized captions. The secret? Don't just copy-paste. Use AI to create the skeleton, then add your human touch. High-end clients pay for the quality, and AI gives you the speed to handle 10 clients instead of 1. Let's get practical. To stand out, don't just offer writing. Offer AI-enhanced SEO strategy. When using ChatGPT, use this prompt structure. Act as a professional copywriter with 10 years of experience. Write a blog post that focuses on the given topic, using a conversational tone and high-ranking keywords. This level of detail is what clients pay the big bucks for. Next up, digital assets. People are making thousands selling digital wall art, stickers, and coloring books on Etsy or Amazon KDP. In the past, you needed to be an artist. Now, you just need to know how to prompt. Use Midjourney or Leonardo.ai to create unique, high-quality designs. Upscale them using free tools and list them as digital downloads. You create it once and it sells forever. Now for the Etsy secrets. The key isn't just the art, it's the keywords. Use tools like Everbee or eRank to see what people are searching for. Right now, boho minimalist wall art and AI-generated coloring books for kids are trending. Instead of 1 image, create a bundle of 5. Value is what converts a browser into a buyer. Method 3 is my favorite. Faceless social media automation. You don't need a camera, and you don't need to show your face. Use InVideo AI or Pictory to turn a simple script into a full video with subtitles and stock footage automatically. Pair it with a professional voiceover from ElevenLabs, and you have a viral-ready video in under 10 minutes. Consistency is the key here. 1 viral short can bring in your first $1,000 through the Creator Fund or affiliate links. But wait, avoid these 3 fatal mistakes. First, copyright. Always use AI tools that grant you commercial rights. Second, low quality. Never upload a blurry image, always use an AI upscaler like Gigapixel or free alternatives. Third, giving up too soon. The algorithm needs data. Give it at least 20 videos before you judge your results. The barrier to entry has never been lower. But remember, AI is the engine, but you are the driver. Pick one of these methods, stick with it for 30 days, and watch what happens. If you want the exact prompts I used in this video, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Money Lab for more secrets on mastering the AI economy. Here is the reality check. The first $1,000 is always the hardest. Not because the work is hard, but because most people quit at $10. AI is giving you a superpower. It's giving you the speed of a 10-person agency, but you still need to show up every single day. Choose one of these 3 methods today. Not tomorrow. Today. Spend the next 30 days mastering it. See you in the next one.